Hello everyone, this is Stealth. Welcome to another PlayStation video. Today we will be going over swapping and replacing a hard drive in the PS3 Super Slim model. What you would do is you would lift up the PS3 console on the disc end, take off the cover, it just slips right off if you push it from the left to the right, and then you unscrew the hard drive and lift it on out. If there is no hard drive in the caddy, then you would just lift it up, put a hard drive in, and then slip it right back into the system. After you slip it into the system, you'll go ahead and screw it back in, and then once you screw it back in, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, you have now installed a brand new hard drive in your PS3 Super Slim. You would install the cover the opposite way from when you took it off. You put it on and push it from right to left. Alright, we are set to go. Once you're ready, because the hard drive does not have any software on it, you would do a Google search for the PlayStation 3 update file. The current update file number is 4.90, so when you click on the first link that shows up in the Google search, it'll take you directly to the 4.90 page, and then from here you can decide to read the information that's on 4.90. You can expand the little bar on the PS3 system software features, and that'll tell you the updated features for the most recent updates. From there, you'll go ahead and expand the update using a computer option. Once that is expanded, you can go ahead and click Download PS3 Update. Once that has finished downloading, it'll be downloaded to your downloads folder, so you can go ahead and go to your USB drive first. Create a new folder that says PS3, all capital letters, no spaces. Go inside of that folder. Create another new folder inside there that says Update, all capital letters, no spaces. Go inside that folder, and then from there, you drag and drop the PS3 update file to the update folder, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and plug that USB drive into your PS3, turn your PS3 on and connect to your PS3 controller via USB cord to your system, and follow the instructions from there on updating your PS3 with the new hard drive installed. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Sneak to that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to follow me on Twitch if you want to catch my live gameplay streams. And I will see you on the next video. Deuces, my juices!